our factory.
It seems your factory is well established, but could you be able to explain me what is the principal layout for the factory?
Our factory moving line adopts U-shaped design. From incoming material receiving, inspection, then sent to warehouse, production, assembly lines, and go to delivery area.
How automated is your production?
As you can see, all of our injection machines are equipped with robotic arm, with picking, cutting, and jetting. In addition to improving our quality, it also ensures work safety and achieves fully automatic production.
And how to control the quality of injection products?
All key components of water filters are produced by our own injection machines to ensure stable quality. And now, there are 6 plastic injection machines, ranging from as small as 100 tons to 550 tons, in order to ensure the safety and non-toxicity of the water purifier. All main plastic components are produced by these 6 machines from small to large parts.
How do you deal with your recycled plastic material?
Adhere to the parts that are in contact with water, all of which are made of raw plastic materials without adding secondary or recycled materials. Recycled materials are only used for housing ranges or other unimportant parts.
How about your product capacity?
Now, there are 9 production lines in the factory, and the production capacity can be expanded. Each production line for filter cartridge can produce 46,000 pieces per month. In order to strengthen quality stability and increase production capacity, we establish a fully automatic and semi-automatic machine for assembly lines. Adopt NES to ensure that the daily output is in line with the production plan.
How do you make sure that there are no problems with the products?
The operators wear caps throughout the production process to prevent hair and dangers from falling into the product. The interface agent used in water purification products are using USA-made non-toxic adhesive and surfactants. All the products need to pass 100% leaking test before leaving the factory.